Hey everybody, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. One of my customers called me. Their garage door is not opening and they don't have a house key, so I'm going to have them swing by and pick a key up instead of me driving over there. Save them a couple bucks, save me having to go anywhere on a Sunday morning. Kwikset key. I don't remember if it's smart key, so I'll be using these here to widen each cut. If it's smart key, it helps if they're widened or if they're... I know it's not stock Kwikset pins if I repinned it, but I honestly can't recall if it was smart key or not. So and we need to use this cutting wheel. It's not currently on there, so swap that. On a KW1 blank here, and our bidding is 22544. So there's our code cut key 22544, and I guess if you like these kind of videos, subscribe. You do some kind of locksmithing stuff on this channel, and that's gonna do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.